Welcome to the Succulent Home for pot number 2. Same pot as the last one we did in the last video. Don't know if you checked out that last video, but if you haven't, go check it out. So we're going to go ahead and pot up this second one. Yes, I do have 2. So we'll go ahead and do that now. It won't look identical, but I'll try to do my best with making it look at least cohesive, because they are identical pots. So if they can't be identical as far as the succulents that I'm using, I'm at least hoping they can look cohesive. So again, this isn't well drained pot, a draining pot, because there's no holes in there. That's perfectly fine, because I'm going to be careful on how I water and what I choose to water and do in here. So like the other ones, I put echeverias, and so I'm going to go ahead and do the same. I'm going to put this one in here. Being careful, being mindful, knowing that I cannot overwater these. And when I water, making sure I don't water so much that they get root rot. Okay. So I'm going to be okay with this one right here. Clean up some of this, all these dead leaves around it. Might as well clean it up before I pot it. That won't be good. Okay, this is actually, I believe this is the Echeveria lipstick lady. Comment below if I'm wrong. Here goes a donkey's tail, so I'm going to mimic the other one where there was a donkey's tail. I actually put 2 donkey's tails in the other one. Here I'm only going to do the one. Okay. Got that right there. Okay, I'm gonna go get another one. Actually, I have another donkey's tail, so I will add it. Take some of this off. Put it on this side. Donkey's tail is actually one of my favorites. 1, because it grows cascading. 2, because it's just so, when it's healthy, it looks so pretty and plump. Like a, you know, like a little baby. Like a little chubby baby, so cuter. It's so cute. All babies are cute, but you know what I mean. When you see the little chubby ones, you're like, oh. My little girl was the cutest. Little big old cheeks on her face. So cute. Okay, so there we go. We got this one right here. And push this one like here. Put it right here. Then I'm going to get these. I think these are called the Starburst. Golden Sedum. This is the Golden Sedum. I'm going to put her right here in the front. Well, get a little bit of some soil. This one actually is sitting a little bit more higher than the other arrangement we did that you saw earlier. And there goes that. I think I'm gonna stop at that one before I put, hold on. So I put my little gnome. This gnome is like the little hear no evil guy. Little hear no evil. The other one was see no evil. Go. Let me see. Not too sure if I want to put some rocks around. But just to mimic the other one, maybe not those rocks, but I will put these ones. To me, it just adds a little bit more whimsical decor to it. I don't want to put too many where there's no room for the plants to, you know, grow and widen out. But I don't like to always see a whole bunch of soil either. These are iridescent, so it's not that. Okay. Trying to be better as me when I'm being creative, so that way I don't make a big mess and I can continue to clean up as I go. Okay. You're probably thinking like, Melissa, where's your gloves? Well, I like, one of the things about doing arrangements and being in the garden, your flower garden, your food garden, whatever it is, if you're a green thumber, one of the things you enjoy is feeling dirt, feeling the plants, feeling what you're creating and growing. I don't know, it just makes me feel more connected to God, our creator. I've just been wanting to be out here for a minute now. So I'm glad I got some time. I'm glad I'm making a video. I'm glad I'm able to share this with you and inspire myself to continue to be inspired to be out here. Man, I get so much relaxation from this. You have no clue. So I hope you like this arrangement. Until the next video, you guys, God bless. Bye.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, 'cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take